clutch just go out on it? That was strange. What's going on? Uh-oh. Isn't it shifting? At all. I might have a serious problem, guys. I really hope I just didn't blow out the clutch. That would suck. Still chain yet. Did the clutch like grenade inside of it? Ha! That's first gear right there. Uh-oh. Crap. Okay, guys, let's take it home and see what happens now. Okay, you guys would not believe how stupid I am. I'm pretty stupid. Anyways, look what happened. Nothing. I mean, that looks perfect, right? I mean, there's only a chunk of that down there. Yep. You guys know what happened is that I was being dumb butt and decided to, whenever I was taking this, whenever I was tightening up the chain, I forgot to tighten these up. And there's another bolt that's out in the woods. I went to go find that. That goes over this. So that's fine. I decided to come apart and wreck these rubber things in there. So I was ordering new ones of those. Which probably isn't that bad of an idea, but still, it's really annoying. I really hope I didn't break inside of there. I really hope I didn't. That would suck. I have to buy a new hub. Anyways, I want to take this apart and show you guys what I did. Okay, guys, so there's all the remaining stuff that was inside of there. Got a little bit of damage there, but I think that was there before. So, I don't know. I'll have to order some parts. I'll get back to you whenever I fix that, I guess. Okay, guys, so we got some parts for the MX100. We actually don't make the same mistake that we did, so we ordered them, and from Bike Bandit, my dad ordered them. They were $10, and it said for a set. Well, a set turns out to be one. So it's $10 a piece, and my dad ordered the other ones. On eBay, they say $13. I don't know if they mean $13 a piece or not. We didn't try eBay, so we just did Bike Bandit, because it was cheaper, we thought, but it turns out we have to pay this much. So there's these, and then we got 3 more in here. Yep, we have 3 more in there. And then also great news is that this thing looks nice and shiny now because my dad took it to some local place to find a tap because his work didn't have a tap for this, and neither did Redline Honda. So he took it to some Lash Automotive place, and they actually turns out they had a tap for this bolt, and so they tapped it out because it wouldn't thread. So we were thinking I might have to buy a new way. I might have to buy a new axle, and we got a new nut for it and a cotter pin, so that'll be awesome. And so now I just have to put this whole contraption back together, and those are the broken ones. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'll put you guys in time-lapse mode and we'll put it on. Okay, so as you guys all saw, I got it all back together. I just had a little bit of trouble getting it back there because I can put the chain on, it looked like maybe. And I didn't have it perfectly lined up, so I got it all together. Cat looking, another cat. And it's normal. So you guys be a normal cat. Hi, Pepper. Hi, Pepper. Hi, Peachy. Look at yourself. Hi, Pepper. I love you, Pepper. Pepper, being a kitty. Being a kitty, huh?
What the heck are you doing?
I'm showing Felt the cat's.
What?
Good girl. Okay, she's a black Persian. We think Pepper is. Pepper's black Persian. And Peachy's calico. And there's Frida. 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 Oh, where's she at? Oh, there she is. Let's go here. There you are. Hi, Frida. Look at the camera. Say hi. Say meow. Oh, you're scared. Okay, bye-bye. Love you too, kitties. So, yeah, those are our cats. This is weird. There it goes. So I should be getting... Okay, now you're looking at each other again. What in the world is wrong with you cats? Okay, guys, go on another ride on the 1974 Yamaha MX100. Oh, crap. They're playing basketball. Sorry for that noise. My sister, my brother. So yeah, as you guys know, I just fixed the, what is that cat doing over there? Okay. Anyways, Sarah, stop it, please. I fixed the, whatever you want to call it, the rubber thingies in the rear hub, as you guys just saw. Fixed those. This is gonna be the first ride since that. Hopefully this all goes well. Really praying it does. Hopefully. Be nice if it does. The GoPro's good. Okay, good. Oh, my hair is my face, but that's the one annoying thing about having long hair. It gets in your face. Have this video on. Gas on. My spark plug tightened down because I checked compression on it. All back. Choke on. Let's give her some ripping. This thing's fun, guys. Holy crap.
Holy crap.
Wow. It's really fun. Let's see how the chain's doing. Aha, perfect. Chain's doing good yet? This is not look loose, so I think we're good. Let's turn off the gas. Wow, that was insane, guys. This thing is so much fun. Where's leaking gas? Overflow, looks like. Yeah, this thing has a lot of power, guys. This thing's pretty good. There's Frida the cat. Hi, Frida. Say hi, Frida.
Pepper's right there.
Say hi. And then Pepper. Where's Pepper at?
I just don't know where's Pepper.
Pepper's somewhere over here.
Yeah, where's Pepper?
So all the cats want to say thank you for watching and subscribing. Right, Sarah? Don't all the cats want to say that? And
Crayfish.
Pepper and Safe, thank you for subscribing and stuff. And Frida and Peachy. And look at those videos for that. That'll be in the upper screen. I don't know where that will be. That will be up there. The video on the 2003 Yamaha WR450. Yeah, and then my dad's RM125's over there. But this beast, oh my goodness sakes. Wow. It's fun, guys. Whoo-wee. Wow. Wowee. I don't know why it's not running that first step. I mean, it just needs warmed up. It's just old two-stroke needs cleared out, maybe. But the more I ran it, the better it was, so. Man, the rear brakes were pretty good, though. It needs a new spring, though. So you can see that.
What are you doing?
I was talking about the dirt bike. And then, I'm gonna do, probably pretty soon here, because it's actually like 70 degrees today. Like, yesterday it was 45 was the high, and all the other days it's been like 30, 20 degrees outside. It's actually, like, really nice today. And, it's almost riding season. My dad still wants to go to he wants to go to Wabash, so May 1st, and today's like the 30th of March. So we're gonna bring that thing probably and this thing probably to go to Wabash. And wow, that thing's really fun, guys. I just noticed we do not have a cotter pin there, so I need a cotter pin in the front axle too. Yeah, I'm gonna do front fork oil on that. I'm gonna replace that. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay updated for more videos than this on WR450, on the RM125, on our cars, on my 1969 Opel GT, and on my snowmobile, and all the other good stuff. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.